Good day, everybody. Brian here from quantlabs.net. So I wanted to talk about the big changes on my Discord server. I've talked about this before. If you're not on my email list, you could join it with the link below. Get some free PDF for automated trading, tech trading ideas. Anyways, as I said before, I'm leveraging the power of and the popularity of Discord. So what I wanted to let you know is I have now automated ways to send messages to Discord, but other things are just as much. So I want to show you the three new channels I just added, and two of these will be private fairly soon. So the first one I want to talk about is the news. The news includes, um, which I started posting pretty well today, yesterday. So let me just pull this one down. It's a standard um, zip file. It's got um, basically various text files in there, as I'm showing you here. Um, so in there, you'll get news. This is what I curate pretty well, try to do every day. Categorized it to trading related, quant related, nerds, which is really programming, and some technical forex trading, which is not very often, equity news, and crypto news. So it's usually in the last 24 hours. So here's the messages. You get the title and then the link itself. It's a CSV or it's a TXT file. So in here, usually our news, our crypto news is the biggest. Here's some things on programming. This could be mostly on Python and C++. Very interesting topics. This is where I get a lot of ideas from. Another one that might be of interest is for people that want to know about quant trading. You can see here price action, lab, groundbreaking AI assistant, crypto data without survivorship. It gets very deep. Volatility scaling is a function of sample rate. So this is pretty good. It's usually from Stack Exchange, a question, and sometimes they get it, sometimes they don't, but it's there. Regarding the trading, you can see this is all just trading on a variety of topics, this case, sliver of hope, whatever. And crypto's usually the biggest, because that's the biggest interest out there for news, spot coin, ETF, XRP, a bunch of altcoin news, da da da. So there's a lot here that you'll get, mostly, as I said, crypto. All right, so there's that. Next thing is, which is now going to go private eventually. I'm just showing you this over the next few days to show you what's available. I'll be selling my memberships. Um, get on my email list again. Just go to the link below. And here you'll see crypto analysis. So I do have the ability to track forming cryptos. In this case, it's not a lot. You can see Ocean, Stacks, Maker, DIR, and I can range it on weekly change, daily change, hourly change. So these are pretty good just to trend follow. Right now you can tell on a daily or hourly change, crypto's down today. This is the more interesting one, okay? I usually put this behind my paywall, but again, I'll put this up for free for the next few days to show you the importance of this. So essentially, this is hot capital, global capital flow. What this means is people don't really understand that big trading firms will transfer money from one place to another. It's fairly accurate, and usually this is what large firms, trading firms, are teeing up in terms of where they see growth on a daily up and coming trend. And in here, you'll see defensive moves, aggressive moves by just transferring money. And that's tracked through, as it says here, through Awanda and Forex data, CFD. So there's a poor man's gateway to futures. And again, it's from a wind. I've been doing this for a number of years. It's deadly accurate, scary accurate, in fact. So this will go behind in the private channel. So people that join my membership will get access to both of these. And these are sometimes updated every day, sometimes once a day, and sometimes I try to do it for the Sunday night crowd. In my case, I'm Eastern Standard Time. But you can see here, just current as an example, you can see the only thing. So the headline here, sideways market continues. This is when the markets get very challenged and very difficult to trade in. But here you can see that there's still some trends. This is with the Turkish lira. I've talked about this numerous times on TradingView. And if you look up either of these, especially the USD Turkish lira, you'll see a nice multi-year trend. Same with the Euro Turkish lira. It's a very easy trade. This one, gold and silver. Um, just an example here. Gold, silver is the global risk factor. Again, I've talked about that in many, many videos. This is the most reliable way to measure risk in the market from a global perspective. And you can see right here, it's performing if you look that up. And these two, actually, this one and the Turkish lira is interesting because as everything kind of goes um, trending, well, I'll just say flatlining. Like I said, we're entering into a new market regime, probably a dangerous one potentially, unless there's a rally soon. But from what I've seen in the market sectors, is posted on Friday, and I'll probably post that up eventually on Discord private channel again. That's an important one to know about because I track 64 sectors in the market, and I'll tell you right now, without a doubt, very few, maybe five sectors are profitable. Okay, everything else is negative. So it's way too early to know, but coming off a rally, pretty well a Santa Claus rally, and where we're at now in the first week of January with a weak a negative loss in the markets. I don't know what to tell you. And to verify that with the current market conditions, where I segregate this with maybes, maybe they might start to trend. I don't know because see, I've got some forex in here, copper, wheat is kind of on the rise, and the defensives of the treasury as well are still kind of hanging in there. So I don't know which way the market will go. If you want, get on the Discord, join it. I'll put the link in the description. It's a Quant Lab server, and we'll leave it at that. And thank you very much for watching. Over and out. And get on the email list for further news on this.